Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Logitech G HUB not detecting mouse or keyboard. First, try updating the driver of your mouse or keyboard. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. In the window that appears, find the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices if you are using a mouse. If you are using a keyboard, open the Keyboard section. Click the arrow to expand the list and locate your Logitech device. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the latest driver and install it if one is available. When the process finishes, restart your computer and open Logitech G HUB again to see if the device is detected. If the problem continues, reinstall the software. Open the Start menu and go to Installed Apps. Find Logitech G HUB and uninstall it. After that, press Windows key plus R type %local app data % and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find and delete any folder named LG HUB. Next, open File Explorer and go to C:"Program Data. If you don't see the folder, click View at the top, go to Show and check Hidden Items. Delete the LG HUB folders there as well. Restart your computer, then download and install the latest version of Logitech G HUB from the official Logitech website. After installation, open the software and your Logitech mouse or keyboard should now be detected properly. Thanks for watching.